Logitech is always looking for a way to break through its competitive performance that no other brand can claim. And with the Logitech G Pro X2 SUPERSTRIKE, it looks like they have another winner here. Developed in collaboration with elite esports teams, this mouse is designed to help players win. So let's dive right in. If you're serious about reaction time, precision, and competitive edge, this is just not another spec bump. This mouse introduces something called HITS, the Haptic Inductive Trigger System. Clever name, even smarter execution. Instead of using traditional microswitches like every other gaming mouse on the market, this replaces them entirely. No mechanical clicks, no metal contacts, nothing in the traditional sense. And that changes everything. Let's start with what feels impossible at first. When you click this mouse, you feel a click, a solid, responsive, tactical click, but there's no actual mechanical click happening. Inside is a motor that thumps, that simulates the feel of an actual click. The moment your presses reach the program actual point, inductive sensors trigger a haptic response of it instantly. If you power the mouse off and press the button, it feels like a dead paddle. No tactical feedback, and that's when it really hits you. This click isn't mechanical, it's engineered. That means up to 30 milliseconds less click latency. No traditional switch wear, no double click issues over time. With no moving switch parts, this should be built to last for infinite time. Here's where it gets even more interesting. For the first time ever, you can adjust how your click feels. Inside G Hub, you can choose 6 intensity levels for the haptic feedback. You want a sharp, aggressive click? You can do that. If you want something lighter and more subtle, there's that too. And yes, you can adjust the left and right click independently. Now let's talk about the performance. You can adjust 10 different actual points, 5 rapid triggers reset points. You can control how far the button travels before it registers. You can control how far it has to return before it resets. If you use rapid trigger keyboards or even game controllers, you will already understand how powerful this is. The competitive FPS players that can shave off milliseconds of reaction timing, this mouse activates exactly when you want it to. This is where it becomes more than a feature. Underneath all of this is one of the most advanced sensors in gaming. We're talking about over 888 IPS tracking, 88G acceleration, up to 44,000 DPI. That level of precision means that you're never missing a micro adjustment. Flicks feel controlled, tracking feels locked in. Pair that with LIGHTSPEED wireless performance, and there is 0 sense of delay. When you fire, it feels instant. When you tap quickly, rapid triggers keep up. If you're looking to up your game, get into the level of the pros, this is the mouse for you. It's really impressive what Logitech has done here. This mouse also has up to 90 hours of battery life. And of course, it also uses the power play technology as well. You just put in the puck underneath and you're ready to go. Max report rate is 100 Hertz. The max light speed report rate is 8,000 Hertz. The sensor is a Hero 2. Resolution is 100 to 44,000 DPI. And the weight of this is 65 grams. This mouse here is coming at $179.99 US. And if you use the promo code MD14, you'll actually get a lovely discount as well. So, are you looking to pick up this mouse? Are you super excited? Do you have any questions for me? Please leave them all in the comments down below. And as always, everyone, have yourself a damn good one.